876 with my good friend Smithy Dan. I've seen enough DJ before, but I've never seen a program like this. I've listened enough station before. Trust me, a jam box come top the list. 876 with my good friend Smithy Dan. Do what you feel like, but not fight it. Smithy Dan jam box nice.
Wagwan people, I don't know, sister girl Sunshine representing for Jambox 876. I don't know people right now will come back at 3:30 for meet up with the people and for ask them. We just want to know, what do you think about the new banknote? Want to feel, want to opinion? You know, we want to know all of that. And the next question, we just want to know, want to think about, you know, you got a party, you dance, you rock, you enjoy yourself. If you dance with somebody, if you feel say that is cheating, that is it. Smithy Dan, big up yourself, you know. Yeah. Alright, my people, and I'm here with
Javidan,
Prince Breezy.
Alright, so what I want to ask you guys, right? What do you think of the new banknote?
Well, to be honest, really and truly, I'm really seeing the difference. The banknote, them thin number one, it easy if it
Yeah, brother.
the material upon it just not good. I don't like it.
What kind of blood clot money this, brother? Eh? Yo, what that is?
Rather the next one them.
Same thing, brother, because like put two of them new note that in a one, that come like one of the old note them, brother. Them so thin, bro. I mean, I like it. I swear, better we go and use the whole shit, you know?
Yeah, Mrs. right now, me no want to touch them, me no like. No could it?
Alright, so the next question is, if you're going to one party, so one nice clean skin girl and she come over and she bubble pie and she go on with herself, do you think that is cheating?
I mean, yeah, it is. It is cheating. And once I come to somebody, I'm not fair. You see me? That's unloyalty.
That's true still, but to me, my youth, I see that I just enjoying myself, you know, my dog. But at the end of the night, I even have to know her name or age or nothing about her, I just know my mom to that dance.
You see, my under my vibes or me a drink and them something, I'm not be aware of my actions. Then I don't accept it as cheating, because I just want the vibes a girl come from, I'm not push her away.
I don't see that as cheating, bro.
But if I approach a girl and she come dance for me, I would classify that as cheating. That's wrong.
I don't see that as cheating now here, bro. People make difference in about as I say, we are enjoy ourselves. That's right, we are enjoy ourselves. So I don't even want to know your name after. Just know say, yeah, we did at the party last night at dance one thick moms, you know. I don't even business about her again, brother. Yeah, brother.
That is it. The G same day at the party and the moms come over and him not push the moms. Him not go on with him think I'm just enjoy life. Yeah. And I'm here with
Noel.
Alright, Noel, what I want to know, right, what do you think? What are your opinions on the new banknotes?
Them still weak. They want kind of top up. they want kind of more stronger. You know, the younger age want to see, yeah. You understand me? Because they can see that the money in Jamaica no value. You understand me? It's weak. You understand me? I say, so we want more top up with them. You understand me? I say, them still weak, and this generation are more work every day, not seeing themselves. The Prime Minister trying to raise up all the parliamentary money in Parliament.
Goodbye, Daddy!
You understand me? And you know, so we want to try to make the money them more stronger. They are weak.
Hey, get up.
Natty. Get up. You understand me? No matter how they see them try to build them and try to make them look pretty. Yeah, the generation like we see it, yes. But it's not going to in a value. Yeah. You understand me? So we want to try to make this generation must work and see what them have working for in this country.
Alright.
It's a boy, Mr. Lex. You know, you don't know you're watching Jambox 876. Keep it locked right there. Don't.
And I'm here with
Lattimore, otherwise known as Marshall Robinson.
Alright. So what I wanna ask you, right? What are your opinions on the new banknotes?
Well, it is very good. It is a trillium.
No, you don't force that for me. Come and I go answer that. Cause what you want to hear, if you the answer you want, you have to go and be for that.
And we are stepping in the trillium, so that is very great. You understand? That is love. Yeah.
Alright, so that is the way of stepping at the trillium. What do you mean by that though?
Trillium mean that new adventure, more modern things. You know, we have to use the life. Our life is a variety of life. So it is trillium, new adventure, things getting, the time pass.
Where you come from?
Just like it had a pass through Michelangelo and these wonderful Hollywood people, you understand me? So the time pass, so it is trillium.
Oh, I'm not sensible neither.
So it is grateful that we have such gift, you understand me, upon planet Earth. And that is very loving, and that is good.
Second question is, if you're in a one party and a girl come and bubble pan you, do you think that is cheating?
No, that couldn't be cheating because that show that, you know, she been loved by her native. And that is love also, you understand me? And we have to show love instead of we show war, you understand? Yeah, good over evil at all time.
Alright, instead of beat the woman when the woman them go party, go and enjoy themselves, show them little love, no man. Yeah, what I war about? That is it, Smithy. I'm not like when I talk about shape, good look clean. That's it, shit. Yeah, Mama, introduce yourself to the people.
My name is Santana.
Alright, Santana, what do you think about the new banknotes?
It's alright. One whole of them.
It no matter what you do with blood, them still not worth $1.
Pretty like you.
Yeah, feel good too. It feel good. I could have foreign.
That is it. Alright. So what I want to know, right? Do you think, you know, you're in a party and you go over to a person and him, you know, you give him one dance. Do you think that is cheating?
No, that's not cheating. We just enjoy ourselves and are catching the vibes. At the end of the night, I know me and him go home.
So if you the home and you get a call and you say no one category your man a one dance, you don't consider it cheating?
No, apart him there enjoy himself. Nothing wrong with that kind of come on back to me.
It's a boy, Mr. Lex. You know, you don't know you're watching Jambox 876. Keep it locked right there. Don't.
You don't know, big up to the all of the hard working man and man when I look no hands out. And I'm here with
Andre.
Alright, Andre, so what I want to ask you, right? What are your opinions on the new banknotes?
Well, them look good, you know, and more durable. You know, it seems as if it lasts longer. As I said, durable, yes, it lasts longer. You know, easily tear. You know, easily soak with water, cause it's what, it's not paper anymore, you know. So we always hear people say, hey, we're not on paper and a plastic we have, you know. You understand? So right now, you have no differentiation with type of plastic you have, you know, whether you have a plastic note or you have your card.
Do you think, you know, dancing on a next person in a party, do you consider cheating?
Well, I don't go party still, you know, but no, that's not cheating. You know, that's just you going out there having fun. I remember back in the days when I used to hit road, you know, I don't consider that as cheating. I consider that having fun. You see me answer? So, hey, if you don't get in the bed, then you cannot stick to you and say, yo, you cheat. You know, you're going to have fun, you know, that's what the party is about.
You know, so even though I don't party anymore still, you know, because as I said, I turned my life around. I'm now a man of God, so.
Me broke you!
Who you rebuke? Who you rebuke, boy?
Me broke you in the name of Jesus, me broke you!
The party thing, me don't do anymore, but yet still I don't consider that as cheating itself.
Alright, so for the Naga party for enjoying yourself, stand on the yard.
This is Predator represent for Jambox 876, so just check it out.
Alright, so you don't know say anywhere, the nice clean girl them there. Jambox 876, one Smithy done, I'll find him, right? Yeah, so I'm here with
Chantel.
Hi Chantel, so my question for you is, what do you think about the new banknotes?
Well, I like the colors. Feel like I'm there Canada, feel like I'm traveling now. Feel like the money have value. I like how I have the money, I don't want to spend it. It's like it, you know, push up a save, because it's pretty, you don't want to spend it. So I like the new money. Fresh cash.
Alright, so she said fresh cash, so by now in December you're supposed to stack in.
I say, at $5,000, not spend it.
Alright, that is it. Do you think dancing on, you know, on a random guy in a party, do you think it's cheating?
Yeah.
Why?
Because when you're partying, you drink, you have fun. Dancing on a random guy can lead to all different kind of things. Cause dancing on the random guy, probably you dance with him for just dance, him a touch and I enjoy. Tomorrow you're good at find yourself nice. I end up wake up and I'm in bed, you wake up. So I call that cheating.
So you tell me, say, alright then, so if your boyfriend there road and you know when one girl see him and go over, go bubble pan him, you da consider it cheating?
Yes.
And I'm here with the beautiful
Empress.
Alright, so Empress, I just want to know, what do you think about the new banknotes?
Well, my point of view, I would say they are nice. It's not that the value is up. We wish the value would go up with the money. You know, being that the economy is so hard to deal with these days, the whole cost of living, everything. You know, and instead of the dollars going up, it's going down. But it's a good look, and I really hope it can last for a time, as much as we want to, and I hope we can get more out of it, even though we know it's not gone up, but I wish to get more out of it. Yeah.
Alright, so the next question is, what do you think of, you know, individuals going in party and dancing with random persons?
Well, my point of view, I don't really like it. At times gone when we used to really be real Jamaicans, where we dance and party and everybody have fun, and nobody used to watch it like, you know, is disrespect. But nowadays, you know, men get deep and they see it as disrespect. And to me, you know, when you have your own partner, you stick to the partner and be careful, you know.
So you would consider cheating?
No, not really, because if it's not intercourse, it's not cheating. But if it's leading on, then there's a cheating. You understand? It's just maybe just fun for them, but not for me anymore.
So let's go on a party, enjoy yourself. Nobody lead on, nobody no reaching on a bed, stay a party, enjoy yourself. Whether don't go the yard, that is it.
It's a boy, Mr. Lex. You know, you don't know you're watching Jambox 876. Keep it locked right there. Don't.
So the boss said rich and sharp, and I'm here with
SB Pro Cut.
Alright, I'm gonna say SB with the money in my man, and I'm just go on with a bag of things. You're not get it back, you know. Him not get it back.
Rich, you know. Rich. Real rich. Yeah, man.
What you think about the money, them?
Boy, right now if I go a beach right now, I can't sue me them money. Yeah, man. No waiting, man. Yeah, man. Solid up, man. The best thing, man. People them crazy about it.
Bumbo clama, you come over. Come over.
Ready?
Yeah. Come right there, sir. Alright, my people, and I'm here with
Kush from Paradise Delight Smoothies. at Constant Spring Arcade, Shop 94. We do smoothies, sandwiches, milkshake, Domino's ice cream, wraps, etc.
Alright, and my question for you is, what do you think about the new banknotes?
It doesn't make a difference. The only difference is that they're more durable. It's not easy to deteriorate like the previous money, so the value doesn't go up or nothing like that. So it doesn't make a difference. It's just better quality as far as the material. Yes.
Alright, and my next question for you, if you didn't want party, right, and a girl come over and give you one dance, do you consider it cheating?
Cheating? No. No, I don't.
Why not?
Cheating, but not kiss her, nothing, just a dance. Or for example, if I'm gonna do like acting, I might dance a girl in a video, like a music video or something like that. I'm married. Would I consider cheating? No. So it's the same concept.
Alright, so you see it? Here is it again. No cheating. Just go on the party, go and go enjoy yourself and go on back home.
If me go out and my girl go out, for example, she not gonna dance, so that's not the whole night. No, she can dance. So me expect her to dance, as long as she not go too far. You see what I say? Likewise, so there's no problem with it. Yeah.
Alright, my boss, so that is it. Remember to check him out if you want a smoothie and ice cream. Right here, so Shop 94 Constant Spring Arcade, that is it.
I'm here to find me device to know why I represent for Jambox 876. Yo, Smithy Dan. No, me really see set time change. Me see friend and moves change and family get weird. Same people them when me there round every day would have sell me out now for $1 chump change. Yo, Jambox 876.